Well, it really caught Wall Street off guard, and Wall Street doesn't like surprises. So that's why we're seeing a triple-digit loss in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Energy stocks losing ground there, as you would expect. The real story here is the economy. Investors are really worried that the recovery is not as strong as they thought it would be. And so far, stocks are a bit muted out of the gate. On Tuesday, the Dow crossed above the key 13,000 level for the first time in about 4 years, but didn't stay there long. So here at the NASDAQ in New York's Times Square, shares of Research in Motion have lost about half their value since the start of the year. Investors have really pummeled the shares because they're worried about weak sales. What they're widely expected to do is to lower long-term interest rates. And the hope there would be that consumers would then be inspired to spend on big-ticket items like houses. And that would, in turn, reinvigorate the U.S. economy. And he stresses that this is an isolated event. He's also saying that in the chief investment office in London, which was responsible for these trades that resulted in the more than $2 billion loss, there was a bit of complacency. Meg Whitman has a proven track record in the technology sector. She's credited with turning eBay from a startup into an internet powerhouse. But HP is a fresh challenge for her. The company has had 3 CEOs over the past decade, and they've all left the company searching for leadership at the top. I'm in Forest Hills, Queens, which has traditionally been a Democratic stronghold. But in a recent local election, a Republican won the race. And Republican Party bosses say that that win is a rebuke on President Obama and his policies.